Today, as we continue our Power BI Basics series, we are going to show you how to connect to your Google Analytics data. Connect via the Get Data feature. And once you're open in Power BI Desktop, you will go to Get Data and you will go to the More section. This allows you to connect to the data sources, and where Google Analytics is under online services. And you'll notice it listed right here as Google Analytics. Then you connect. You select the website that you want to connect to. In this case, I am going to connect to a specific website. And one of the things you need to do is select both the dimensions. So we're going to select the sessions, and there we are for sessions, and we're also going to select a date time frame. So we're going to select all the sessions in 2019, and we're going to do that by using Power Query once we load the data. So once you select your sessions and your date, we're going to edit that. Whenever you're in Power Query, you always want to name your query right away, so we will call this web traffic. Right now we have the web session since 1915 for the date, so we're going to put a filter on that and only search for data that is after 2018. So to do that, we're going to use after 12/31 of 2018. Now we have starting January 1 of 2019 and the number of sessions. We have the Power Query named, and now it's just a matter of going to the Home tab and hitting Close and Apply. There you have it. Now your data is now loaded, and you can start start graphing your data. You've got your date and you've got your sessions, and you can put as many dimensions into your query as you need, and if you want to add and then start building out your queries. So in this video, we learned how to connect to your Google Analytics data. And remember to hit that subscribe button as we produce more videos in our Power BI Basics series.